third cream puff.
They are. They're super cute and hilarious.
This is Jace's, what number?
2.
Number
Second
2.
one. They just chase each other around and run around, laugh, and then wrestle each other down, and, you know. I know. It was pretty hilarious.
What number is it for Josiah?
That's half.
Half?
He didn't like it at first, but now he does. Oh, I'm introducing cream puffs to them.
So we have half, 2, and 3.
Sure.
Half, second, and third.
I'm introducing. What do you mean? Jason and Josiah tends to play with each other more. But Jackson doesn't really roughhouse as much as they do. No, he just doesn't, I don't know, he just doesn't like to. Josiah is definitely the roughhouse guy. He loves to wrestle and take people down. Yeah, I think so.
Josiah shook his head. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Yeah, this is cute. This is so much fun. Yeah. Yeah, so they're really, I'm enjoying my time with them at home. They're really easy now, so, and they just whine. They have their, No, he isn't. He's the one who gets attention from Wayne and I more than anyone. Yeah, he sleeps with us. What else? After they all go to sleep, he gets one-on-one time with us.
Yeah. Yep, that's Joshua.
I know.
Spoiled.
I'm very sad too. I know. You guys will literally be like a couple miles away from our house. No, you will be when you drive through campus.
The motioning. The motioning.
That what?
The motioning.
What? Why? No, I did. They knew. I don't know why they were surprised. When we told Mom and Dad that she was going to be there, huh?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know what. Oh, well.
Oh, you forgot the other two, Lena. Lena, you forgot the other two.
Oh. No more. No more. All done.
No more? All done?
What time was it here? No, they were working outside the house, but...
That's it.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Did see Mommy put it in the fridge?
I put that cream puffs away, and they saw me put it in the freezer, and they're sad.
Sorry, that's it. That's it.
Bread with the ice cream, the little cream puff balls. And Jackson looks like Dennis, he's got like white ice cream.
Sorry, babies. That's it. Bye. Okay. Oh, I know. Who wants a bath? Blow, blow. Oh, thì lao xa có trên khả lưu mong choกู Uh oh. I don't think that's working.